everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute reindeer bow using a twisted boutique that I have made using the Brilliant Bow Maker snap clip template, which is this, and some other bits and pieces because I've used my Sizzix Big Shot to cut the base and the nose, and these were embellishment padded and antler embellishment that I brought from Hairbows Craft Supplies. I can show you how to make this. Now, I'm not going to make the bow on the video, but I will link the tutorial in the description below to save time. But this is the boutique bow used making the Brilliant Bow Maker snap clip template, and this was 1.5 inch ribbon and it was 60 centimeters. But like I said, the tutorial will be linked in the description below. And to make the nose, I cut them out using my Sizzix Big Shot machine using this airing die that I got from Eliza Henri Craft Supplies. And for the base, I used the tail off this set, which is one of my bow templates that I brought from Harribows Craft Supplies. So I'll link both the suppliers in the description below as well. And I used this nice gold colour for the base for the tails, and this like ruby red shade tone for the nose. But you could do like a standard reindeer colour, more of a brown or a black if you wanted to. It's entirely up to you. So again, to save time, I have cut everything and got all my little bits and pieces ready at my centre to get all of it all organised for you. Now, the first thing here with this is working out your antler areas, because the bow is going to go on the centre. And I've done mine a little bit to stand up on that one, I think. On this one, I'm going to move it so I've got my ears more in this placement outwards. So we need to work out where we've got it so it will stand. And I'm going to use the tails as a guide. So I'm going to want it there, and I'm going to make sure both of them are facing out in the same direction. So I'm going to put some glue here. I'm going to angle it so that that part is at the top, that tail there, and I'm just going to put a little bit more glue across there, so that's that side. And then you want to sort of get these lined up to the same sort of height and positioning, so we want to use that tail as a guide again. Bit of glue on the back there first. Check your positioning. And like I said, you want your antlers far enough down that you'll be able to see them over the bow, but not too far down that they're sort of sticking out and you can't see, they're not tucked behind the bow. That makes sense. So if you did them further up, you potentially could see them behind the bow, and that's not what we want in this occasion. Sometimes you can and have it as like a design feature, but on this style we don't want to. So there's our antlers placed, and then I'm going to put a little bit of glue across here, just there. I'm going to make sure it's centered. I'm going to place our boutique bow down there, and this one, I think this colour is called sort of old gold. I'd have to double check my ribbon chart and put that in, but you could use any of the sort of golden shades of ribbon. There's absolutely loads, and they are all like super cute for reindeer colours. That goes across the back there, and then we've got the centre. Don't forget to heat seal the end. Open up your clip, and then I wrap around the centre at least twice. You can go 3 if you want to, but I always do at least twice. Around again. nice and tight. Take any excess off. Heat seal again. Flip it all nicely over. And again, with the noses, you can make them as big or as small as you want. I have made mine 12mm, but like I said, you could do bigger, you could do smaller, it depends on how cute or how big you want them. But like I said, you could go up to like 2cm, like 20 or even 25cm for the centre, and it would still look just as cute, depending on your preferences. And like I said, you could do all different versions. Have different colour options because you can get the antlers in so many different colours. I just like mine, like, other than the noses obviously. But there you go. And again, look at the difference of the antlers. Gives you a slightly different look on each one. But there you go. There is a super cute reindeer bow using a Brilliant Boutique bow.